OpenAI just released a game-changing feature that's already cutting AI workflow time by 40%. On August 22nd, 2025, project-only memory became reality. And it's about to transform how businesses use ChatGPT forever. I've tested it extensively and I'm revealing exactly how to leverage it for your business today. Hey, I'm Tim, founder of AI Operator, and I help SMB owners implement AI tools that actually deliver ROI. If you're tired of constantly re-explaining context to ChatGPT or worried about sensitive client information leaking between projects, this video is specifically for you. As someone who uses ChatGPT daily with multiple clients, this feature addresses the biggest pain point I've heard from business owners: context switching. In this video, I'll show you 1. What project-only memory actually is, explained simply. 2. How to set it up correctly, including one critical step most people miss. 3. 3 game-changing business use cases with real examples. 4. Current limitations and how to work around them. Let me show you what this looks like in action. Here, I've got 2 separate client projects. One for a healthcare company, Medflow, and one for a tech startup, Velocity AI. First, I'm in the healthcare project. Let me ask about regulatory compliance. What are the key HIPAA considerations for our AI-powered patient triage feature? It should mention PHA protection, business associate agreements, FDA approval, clinical validation, etc. Let's see. PHI, business associate agreements. That's really good. I mean, notice how ChatGPT immediately understands our healthcare context and references our specific patient triage project. It's because I do have a file that explains all the compliance requirements. This is simple. I also have a bit of an instruction here for this project. Now watch what happens when I switch to our tech startup project and ask about healthcare. Here I am in our startup project, Velocity AI. Should we consider healthcare companies as potential customers for our email personalization platform? It should focus on market expansion, sales metrics, customer acquisition, no healthcare compliance context whatsoever. Well, see the difference? Zero memory of our healthcare compliance discussions, pure SaaS growth perspective. Let me prove there is no cross-contamination. Let's start a new chat in Velocity AI and let's ask, do we need HIPAA compliance for our sales automation platform? It should be a generic answer about HIPAA in sales context, no knowledge of Medflow's specific requirements. Here we go. You don't need HIPAA compliance for Velocity AI's current focus. That's correct. Here's the breakdown. Yeah, perfect isolation. No knowledge of Medflow's FDA requirements or patient triage systems. All right, in Medflow, I have nothing about revenue, but in Velocity AI, I do. So let's test in Medflow to ask about our current revenue. Here we go. I wasn't able to find any revenue figures in the compliance requirements document you shared. That file is focused on HIPAA, FDA, and regulatory planning. Now let's try that in Velocity AI. What's our current revenue? I expected to say 180K MRR. Here we go. 180K. This is from the uploaded document. But now, if I ask this question in Medflow, it wouldn't be able to read the history of this chat. Let's continue testing this a little bit further. Let's go on Medflow, ask about what regulatory approvals do we need for our AI features. I'm expecting FDA, 510K, HIPAA compliance, clinical validation. Yeah, that's all coming across, which is good. All right. Let's ask a very similar question in Velocity AI. What regulatory approvals do we need for our AI features? Here, I expect data privacy, GDPR, general SaaS compliance. GDPR, CCPA. Yeah, that's correct. Shall we push the limits a little bit and show you that it is really siloed? Let's go to our Medflow and let's ask, based on our previous discussions about patient triage AI, what's our FDA timeline? I expect reference previous conversations like the mentions of Q2 2026, the 510K submission. Yeah, all right, the Q2 2026. Yeah, that's perfect. Awesome. Now let's go to Velocity AI and let's ask about, given our current MRR we discussed, what's our runway? We expect, as before, 180K MRR, should calculate based on burn rate. Yeah, perfect. As you saw, when I ask about healthcare regulations in the healthcare project, I get healthcare related things. If I ask about healthcare related topics in Velocity AI, I get more generic information. So when I switch to the tech project and ask about healthcare, ChatGPT has no memory of our previous conversation. The contexts are completely isolated, no cross-contamination of information. This is exactly what business users have been asking for. As Simon Willison, a prominent AI researcher, said on August 22nd. This is the feature I've most wanted from ChatGPT's memory feature. I need control over what older conversations are being considered. So let me walk you through making sure how you can use this. Step 1. Verify prerequisites. Before you can use project-only memory, you need to ensure ChatGPT's memory feature is enabled. Go to Settings, Personalization, and make sure Reference Saved Memory is turned on. For team and enterprise users, your administrator needs to enable workspace level memory. Step 2. Create a new project with isolated memory. Important. Project-only memory can only be enabled when creating new projects. You can't add it to existing ones, so click New Project in the left menu, then click More Options. Here, it was on the bottom left. Now, as you can see, it's here. It's a little gear button. This is More Options. And change memory from default to project only. This critical setting means ChatGPT will only draw context from conversations within this specific project. I always love to add a little icon, and now you can add the icons with a color. I used to add an emoji before, so this is quite new and nice as well. Make sure again to have project only enabled. Create your project. Now that your isolated workspace set up, start adding context that will persist across all conversations in this project. Upload relevant files and detailed custom instructions and begin your first conversation. Remember, everything you share here stays in this project. Let me tell you 3 powerful business applications that showcase why early adopters are reporting 40% time savings with this feature. Use case 1, client-specific knowledge management. If you're an agency or consultant handling multiple clients, project-only memory is a game changer. Create a dedicated project for each client where you can upload their brand guidelines, marketing materials, past campaigns, and important data. ChatGPT will build a comprehensive understanding of this specific client without mixing in information from other accounts. The real power comes when you iterate on deliverables. Instead of repeatedly explaining client preferences, product details, or prior feedback, ChatGPT remembers everything within that client's workspace. A marketing agency owner I spoke with reported cutting client deliverable time by 35% because they weren't constantly reorientating the AI. Use case 2, sensitive data processing and compliance. For businesses dealing with sensitive information, project-only memory creates essential data boundaries. A financial advisor can create a separate project for each client's financial planning, ensuring ChatGPT never accidentally references another client's investment strategy or financial information. This is critical for compliance in fields like healthcare, legal services, and finance. As Data North AI noted in their analysis, OpenAI has been meticulous in designing the memory feature with robust privacy considerations. And project-only memory takes this a step further by creating complete isolation between different domains of information. Use case 3, product development collaboration. The third powerful application is for product teams collaborating on complex projects. Create a dedicated project space where your team can collectively build context around product specifications, user research, competitor analysis, and development roadmaps. What makes this revolutionary is that the entire team contributes to a shared AI memory that becomes more valuable over time. According to research cited in WebPro News, teams report more seamless iterations on complex tasks because the AI retains all the nuanced context from previous team conversations. One product manager described it as having an AI team member who never misses a meeting or forgets a detail. In my company, when we have calls, one shares the screen and builds or a project, or we use custom GPTs, or we work on a chat thread. I know that for now, we can't really collaborate together in real time, but this new memory feature for projects potentially means that we will be seeing very soon better capabilities on collaborating on projects with our team members. While project-only memory is transformative, it does have some current limitations to be aware of. As mentioned, sadly, we cannot work together on these projects yet separately, asynchronously, but we can in a meeting together. There are still platform restrictions. It's currently only available on the ChatGPT website and Windows app. Mac app, mobile support for iOS and Android is coming in the following weeks, according to OpenAI's release notes. So you'll need to use the web version until then. No retrofitting. You can't add project-only memory to existing projects, which means you may need to recreate important workspaces. Both personal memory and workspace level memory must be enabled as prerequisites, which might require administrator approval in enterprise settings. The good news is that OpenAI seems committed to expanding this feature. Simon Willison, who's been advocating for this capability, called it exactly what I described back in May, showing OpenAI is listening to user needs. I'm curious, what client or project would you immediately set up with project-only memory? Drop a comment below letting me know your first use case. And if you've already started using this feature, I'd love to hear what productivity improvements you're seeing. Are you getting close to that 40% time savings the early adopters reported? To recap, ChatGPT's project-only memory creates isolated workspaces where conversations build context over time while preventing memories from outside the project from influencing responses. It's solving the biggest pain point in AI workflows, the need to constantly reorient the AI to your specific context. Here's your homework. Create at least one project with isolated memory this week. Start with your most important client or most complex ongoing project. I guarantee you'll see immediate benefits as the AI builds a deeper understanding of your specific context. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit subscribe and the notifications bell to stay updated on AI features that actually impact your business. I'm Tim from AI Operator, and I'll see you in the next video.